Alright guys, welcome to the next video, which is the unboxing of the Spin Master Monster Jam 2-pack that I found yesterday at Target. Now this is from Mix 3, so yeah. Which one did I get? The one I got was the, I guess you could say Nitro Neon's Dragon, with the brand new Spin Master original called Octon8r, which looks really cool. They did have the other Mix 3 2-packs, but I will explain why I didn't get them. So I kind of had a limited amount of money left, so the things I bought at Target was this and the two Hot Wheels monster trucks that I just showed, which were Steer Clear and Motosaurus. So I kind of had to make a decision, because I was low on cash and I only had like a certain amount of cash. My decision was, it was a risky decision, so my decision was, grab the things that you really want. So once I get more money, I will go back and get those double packs. So yeah. So how I could possibly make more money this summer? I mean, I have some things. I have some stuff I'm trying to get rid of, so I can make money off of that, and I might get a job this summer, so I can make money that way. So yeah. Yeah, so enough about that. Let's get to the unboxing of these two amazing trucks. Alright, let's start with the Nitro Neon's Dragon. So it's your same dragon, as always, just with these new green wheels, which look really cool. Oh, and the gold rims look pretty awesome. Yeah, and this is a different color green for the tires, which look very awesome. So I don't know if this is a Nitro Neon or not, but it just looks like it could be. But I mean, you never know. It's really cool. I like it. Yeah, so I would give this truck like maybe a 10 out of 10 because it just looks so cool. And then the next truck, which is the Spin Master Original Octon8r. I like this. This truck is awesome. I mean, look at the detail on this thing. The tentacles are 3D all over this truck. I like it. If this was a real truck, this would be, that would be like really cool. I mean, I wonder if they were having trouble making the Kraken this year. So I'm guessing they made this as a substitute. Kind of like back in 2017 when Hot Wheels still had the license to make the Monster Jam toys. I guess they had trouble making the Earthshaker body back then, so they made like Shark Shock as like a makeup for it. Yeah, so that's really cool. This thing is very detailed. I'm very excited to see how these trucks will do in my future sign-up series event. Dragon, Octon8r, Motosaurus, and Steer Clear will all make their sign-up series debut in the second one. So yeah. Alright guys, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys next time.